Okay, good afternoon friends. Today we discuss about some problems on sum rule and difference rule, differentiation. First one, d by dx of u plus v. How to differentiate this one? Separately, sum is there, u plus v is there, that's why you are taking du by dx plus du by dx separately. This is called sum rule. And difference rule, d by dx of u minus v equal to du by dx and dv by dx. It is difference rule. Using these two rules, solving some problems on this for 1 marks. If y equal to 3x square plus 2x, find dy by dx. It is just like u plus v du by dx, means it written as du by dx plus du by dx. Similarly, we have to solve this problem. Y equal to 3x square plus 2x and d differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equal to d by dx of 3x square plus 2x. You take separately d by dx of 3x square plus d by dx of 2x and take coefficient constant separate and differentiate again d by dx of x square plus 2 as it is and d by dx of x. The differentiation of x square is 2x and differentiation of x is 1 and 3 into 2x is 6x plus 2 into 1 2 1. Therefore dy by dx equal to 6x plus 2. And second one, if y equal to x to the power 4 plus root x plus 5, find dy by dx. It is in the form of d by dx of u plus v plus w. du by dx plus du by dx and dw by dx. Using this formula, we can solve this one. Y equal to x to the power 4 plus root x plus 5. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equal to x to the power 4 plus root x plus 5. Separately, you differentiate d by dx of x to the power 4, d by dx of x to the power root x, d by dx of root 5. The differentiation of x to the power 4 is 4x cube. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. And differentiation of constant means 5 equal to 0. We get dy by dx equal to 4x cube plus 1 by 2 root x. Okay. Third one. Y equal to 5 e to the power x.
Y equal to 5
minus 4 log x. Find dy by dx. Here also we use the difference formula. d by dx of u minus v equal to d by dx minus d by dx. And here you have to take 5 as it is and d by dx of e to the power x minus 4 as it is d by dx of log x. Then we get 5 e to the power x minus divided by 4 divided by the differentiation of log x is 1 by x.
1 by x and
the fourth one, y equal to e to the power 4 e to the power x minus 3 cos x minus 5 log x minus 7 e to the power x plus 7. Find dy by dx. Y differentiate with respect to x, and here the coefficient 4 as it is and d by dx of e to the power x and 3 as it is d by dx of cos x minus 5 as it is d by dx of log x and 7 as it is d by dx of a to the power x and lastly plus d by dx of 7. The first one 4 as it is, the differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x plus means Here differentiation of cos x equal to minus x minus sin x. Therefore minus into minus plus, that's why we are taking plus 3 sin x minus 5 d by dx of log x equal to what? 1 by x and 5 by x, and minus 7 a to the power x log a. The lastly the constant value is 0. Therefore the dy by dx value is this one. Fifth one, y equal to 3 sin x plus e to the power x plus 5 e to the power x. Find dy by dx. Here this also u plus v plus w form. That's why you are taking separately 3 as it is. Differentiation of sin x is cos x, and plus e to the power x is e to the power x, and 5 to the power x is 5 to the power x log 5. The differentiation of 5 to the power x is 5x, 5 to the power x into log 5. The value is dy by dx equal to 3 cos x plus e to the power x plus 5 e to the power x into log 5. The second type problems. The problems on product rule. The first one is sum rule and difference rule is completed. Here d by dx of uv, d by dx of uv equal to, how can you write this one? U as it is, dv by differentiate of uv, and plus v as it is, du differentiate u. Okay, means first function and second function. First function as it is, differentiate second function, plus second function as it is, differentiate first function. We get d by dx of uv. On using this rule, we have to solve remaining problems. Differentiate x to the power 2 into log x with respect to x. We have to take here y equal to x square log x, differentiate with respect to x. The x square log x is, it is look like as it is uv. We have to use dy by dx equal to u du by dx plus v du by dx. Here u as x square and v as log x. U means x square as it is, d by dx of log x plus log x as it is, d by dx of x square, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x square by x plus log x as it is, differentiation of x square is 2x. Therefore dy by dx equal to x get cancelled, the remaining in the numerator x and plus 2x log x, or we can write it as x take common, x into 1 plus log x. The dy by dx equal to x into 1 plus log x. Here next, differentiate x square cos x with respect to x. Here x square cos x square as it is, differentiation of cos x plus cos x as it is, differentiation of x square. The differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, the x square as it is. Therefore minus x square sin x plus cos x as it is, differentiation of x square is 2x. Then dy by dx, so the whole result is x square sin x minus x square sin x plus 2x cos x. And here the 8th one formula is the problems. These are asked in previous examination. The all problems are actually asked in previous exam. Just you practice and do it. If y equal to x square e to the power x, find dy by dx. Y equal to x square e to the power x, differentiate with respect to x. Similarly, you are using uv, y equal to uv, u as it is and v differentiate, and v as it is differentiate u. Here uv is x square dy by dx equal to the differentiation of e to the power x plus e to the power x as it is, the differentiation of x square. We get the differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x and differentiation of x square is 2x. The whole result is dy by dx equal to x square plus e to the power x into 2x. This one we can write it e to the power x common, take it common, we get e to the power x into x square plus 2x. The ninth problem is y equal to x to the x into sine inverse x. Find dy by dx. The x as it is, du by dx of sine inverse x, and sine inverse x as it is, and differentiate x. Here the differentiation of sine inverse x equal to 1 by root 1 minus x square plus sine inverse x as it is, and the differentiation of x is 1. The whole result is the dy by dx equal to x divided by root 1 minus x square plus sine inverse x. The 10th one, y equal to x square plus 1 plus x into e to the power x. Find dy by dx. Differentiate this one, the first term as it is, and second term differentiate, and second term as it is, and first term differentiate. We get the first term as it is, the differentiation of sine x, e to the power x is e to the power x. The second term as it is, the differentiation of second term is, the x square value is 2x, the x value is 1, the 1 value is 0. Then e to the power x, x square plus x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 into e to the power x. Okay. This value is completed. The next problem or next session, the second session has the second type problem has completed, means the product rule is completed. The third type problem is problems on quotient rule. Quotient means dy by u by v form, means divided by v square, v as it is du by dx minus u as it is dv by dx, and we can take in another form d by dx of numerator divided by denominator. Here denominator square, and in the above numerator, denominator as it is, differentiation of numerator, minus numerator as it is, differentiation of denominator. Using this quotient rule, solving these problems. Okay. Next, first problems on this rule. Here in the numerator, x square minus 4 is there, and denominator x square plus 3 is there. The differentiate with respect to x, the denominator square, the denominator as it is, into d by dx of x square minus 4 minus x square minus 4 as it is, d by dx of x to the power 2 plus 3, and x square plus 3 as it is. The differentiation of x square minus 4 is, x square value is 2x, and minus the 4 value is 0, minus x square minus 4 as it is, d by dx of x square plus 3 is, here differentiation of x square value is 2x, and 3 value is 0. 2x into x to the power 2 plus 3 minus 2x as it is into x square minus 4. This value is dy by dx. And second one, differentiate with respect to x, 1 minus e to the power x divided by 1 plus e to the power x. Here in the denominator, 1 plus e to the power x whole square, in the numerator 1 plus e to the power x into d by dx of 1 minus e to the power x minus 1 minus e to the power x as it is, d by dx of 1 plus e to the power x. Here 1 plus e to the power x as it is, the differentiation of 1 minus e to the power x is 1 as 0 minus e to the power x is e to the power x minus 1 minus e to the power x as it is 1 value is 0 plus e to the power x is e to the power x. That's why we are getting only e to the power x and denominator as it is 1 plus e to the power x whole square. And taking e to the power x common, we get 1 minus e to the power x minus 1 plus e to the power x plus e to the power x minus e to the power x get cancelled and remaining only minus 1 we get minus 2 and in the outside is e to the power x is there. dy by dx equal to minus e to the power x 1 plus e to the power x whole square. Okay, next problems on quotient rule. Differentiate 1 minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Then dy by dx equal to, in the numerator, 1 plus sin x dy by dx 1 minus sin x minus 1 minus sin x d by dx of 1 plus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. 1 plus sin x as it is, differentiation of 1 is 0 and minus as it is, differentiation of sin x is cos x minus as it is 1 minus sin x as it is, differentiation of 1 is 0 plus differentiation of sin x is cos x divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. And here minus cos x into 1 minus cos x minus sin x into cos x. Second one, cos x into 1 minus cos x minus into minus plus sin x cos x and sin x cos x and plus sin x cos x and minus sin x cos x get cancelled. We get only minus 2 cos x divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. Okay. Differentiate or the derivative of composite function. What are the composite functions? Means function of function. We are taking the first function as it is u and the second function is u v. We can separately differentiate and then add. Means we are taking directly an composite function y equal to sin log x. Okay, first we consider only log x equal to x. We have to consider log x equal to x. Then this value is sin x. This value is sin x. The differentiation of sin x is cos x. In the x instead of here x value is log x is there. Log x as it is. And again differentiate the x value is what? Log x. We have to take separately d by dx of log x. We get cos log x. The differentiation of log x means 1 by x. 1 by x. The whole value is dy by dx equal to cos log x divided by x. And second one, differentiate y equal to log sin x with respect to x. Here in the x form sin x is there. Just to differentiate, we consider only this value is log x. Differentiate with respect to x means differentiation of log x is 1 by x. X value is sin x. Then differentiates d by dx of sin x. The x value again differentiate this one. We get 1 by sin x as it is. The differentiation of sin x value is cos x. Cos x divided by sin x value is cot x. Therefore, differentiation of log of sin value is log of sin x value is cot x. The 16th formula. So the 16th question is y equal to tan 2x plus 3. Find dy by dx. Just you have to consider the 2x plus 3 as 2x plus 3 is x. Then differentiate this one The tan x means sec square x. Means secant square x. Secant square x means what? X value is 2x plus 3. So separately we have to differentiate this one. D by dx equal to 2x plus 3. Sec square 2x plus 3. Here the 2x value is 2 and 3 value is 0. Then we get the dy by dx equal to 2 sec square 2x plus 3. Okay. Next, if y equal to e to the power x cube, find dy by dx. Find dy by dx means what? How to write this one? How to solve this one? We consider the e to the power x cube as e to the power x. We know that the formula e to the power x is e to the power x is there. E to the power x is e to the power x value is e to the power x is there. Okay. Okay. Differentiate this one. The e to the power x is e to the power x as it is. Instead of e to the power x, e to the x value is x cube is there. Again differentiate this one, d by dx of x cube. Then we get 3x square. Then lastly the value is d by dx of e to the power x cube value is 3x square e to the power x cube. Okay, find dy by dx if y equal to sin square x. How can you write this one? Sin square x means what? Sin x is 2 terms of sin x means sin square x. Sin x into sin x means sin x into whole square. How can you write this one? Sin square x. Okay. Here sin x whole square. Sin x whole square means what? X square. Oh, we consider as x square. X square, the differentiation of x square is what? 2x. Similarly, here differentiation of sin x whole square is 2 sin x. 2 sin x as it is. Okay. Here in the x term sin x is there. Differentiate sin x once again. We get the differentiation of sin x is cos x. Means 2 sin x cos x equal to what? We know that the trigonometric formula 2 sin x cos x equal to sin 2x. Sin 2x. Okay. Next, the 19th problem, y equal to cos root x. Y equal to cos root x. Find dy by dx. We know that the differentiation of cos x equal to minus sin x. Okay. Here root x is there. Just you write minus sin root x and differentiation of root x. The differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Okay. Last the result is dy by dx equal to minus sin root x divided by 2 root x. The value is differentiation of cos root x equal to minus sin root x divided by 2 root x. Find dy by dx equal to sin of ax plus b. The sin ax plus b means cos ax plus b and differentiate cos ax plus b into d by dx of a to the power x. Then a to the power x equal to means what? A as it is, differentiation of x is 1 and b value is 0. Then the value is a cos ax plus b. A cos ax plus b. The differentiation of sin ax plus b value is a cos ax plus b. Okay. Here we discuss about two functions. The derivative of implicit function. Okay. Here the two functions are there. First one is explicit function and implicit function. The explicit function is in this form: y equal to x square plus 1, y equal to sin x, y equal to root x square plus 1. This form is called explicit function in the word. If y is directly expressed in terms of x, then y is called explicit function, or a function of the form y equal to f of x. In the form of y equal to f of x, we can call it as explicit function. And second one, implicit function. If y is not directly expressed in the form of x, then y is called implicit function. Means y is indirectly expressed. Means what? The function means f of xy equal to c. This form is called implicit function. The implicit function example is what? X square plus y square plus z square equal to 1, or x square plus y square equal to 1, xy equal to 1, x cube plus y cube equal to 3x square. In this form of examples, we call it as implicit function. Using these two functions, we can solve some problems on this function. It is very important problem asked in the previous examination, March, April. Okay. First, if root x plus root y equal to root a, means it is called, which form this one? This one is called implicit function. It is in the form of implicit. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides, means we can take both sides, differentiate. D by dx of root x plus root y equal to d by dx of root a. Here we know that the formula of the root x equal to 1 by 2 root x. Similarly, root y equal to 2 root y. Here y is there, that's why again differentiate y, means we get dy by dx. The differentiation of constant is 0, equal to root a is constant, that's why the value is 0. We get here dy by dx 1 by 2 root y, dy by dx we take in RHS side, we get minus 1 by 2 root x, then dy by dx equal to minus 1 by 2 root x into 2 root y. 2 to get cancel, we get minus root y divided by root x. The second problems on implicit function. If x square plus y square equal to a square, then find dy by dx. Okay, we take x square plus y square equal to a square, differentiate with respect to x, and here we get differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of y square is 2y. The y is there, we are taking dy by dx. The a square is constant, that's why we are taking here 0. Then we get 2 dy by dx equal to minus 2x, and 2 get cancelled, we get dy by dx equal to minus x divided by y. Minus x divided by y. And third problems on implicit function. If ax plus by square equal to cos y, find dy by dx. Here ax plus by square equal to cos y, differentiate with respect to on both sides, means we have to take differentiate on both sides. A as it is, differentiation of x is 1, that's why I am writing only a. B as it is, differentiation of y square is 2b, 2y is there, again y is there, we can take dy by dx, means 2by dy by dx equal to differentiation of cos y is minus sin y, the y is there, that's why we are taking dy by dx. 2 we can take dy by dx one side and constant one side. 2by dy by dx plus sin y dy by dx equal to a. And dy by dx take common, we get 2by plus sin y dy by dx equal to a. Then we get dy by dx equal to a divided by 2by plus sin y. The fourth problems on implicit function. Sin square x plus cos square y equal to 1. Find dy by dx. Wherever x is there, you can write directly sin square x means 2 sin x cos x, and wherever y is there, we take again the one term is dy by dx. Okay. Sin square x plus cos square y equal to 1. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Here, first term is sin square x. Sin square x means what? X square value means x square means what? 2x. Here sin square x is there. We take 2 sin x. And again differentiate x value sin x is there. D by dx of sin x plus 2 cos y. And d by dx of cos y is there. Okay. Equal to the constant value is 0. The value is 2 sin x cos x plus 2 cos y. Differentiation of cos y is minus sin y dy by dx. We get 2 sin y cos y dy by dx equal to minus 2 sin x cos x. 2 get cancelled. Sin x by sin x cos x divided by sin y cos y, or otherwise we can take sin 2x. Or 2 sin x cos x means what? Sin 2x. Minus minus get cancelled. Here sin 2y. The y value is there. We can take sin 2y. The dy by dx equal to sin 2x divided by sin 2y. The last formula on implicit function, x minus y equal to pi. X minus y dx by x dy by dx equal to pi value is 0. 1 minus dy by dx equal to 0. The dy by dx equal to 1. Okay, thank you. The well practice and prepare well. Thank you.